Hello children, how are you all? Children, it's revision time of subject English. So, let's solve some questions from the lesson number 7, The New Shawl, and poem number 9, Cats Sleep Anywhere. Tick the correct answer. Now children, you know how to solve multiple choice questions. Okay, so let's read question number 1. The monk wanted a dash. Now let's read options. A. Shawl, B. Tablecloth, and C. Pillow. The monk wanted a shawl. Yes, correct answer is shawl. So, tick the correct answer in the given box. Okay. Now, question number 2. Who needed the new shawl for winters? Given options are A. Master, B. Monk, and C. Buddha. Now, who needed the new shawl for winters? It's monk. Correct answer is monk. So, let's tick B. Monk. Okay. Question number 3. What is the opposite of tall? What is the opposite of tall? Opposite of tall is short. Now let's read given options first. A. Small, B. Long, and C. Short. Yes, so let's take the correct answer. C. Short. Okay. All of you understood, children? Now, question number 4. What is the opposite of big? Opposite of big. It's small. But first, let's read the given options. A. Short, B. Small, and C. Light. Correct answer is small. Big, small. So, tick the correct answer B. Small. Okay. Now, question number 5. Tick the correct name of the winter garment. Now for this you have to see the given picture of the winter garment. What is it? Yes, it's a cap. Now let's read the given options. A. Sweater, B. Socks, and C. Cap. Yes. So, tick the correct answer. C. Cap. Now, question number 6. Why do you think we should reuse and recycle? Why do you think we should reuse and recycle? Now given options are A. So that we do not waste things, B. So that we waste things, and C. So that we purchase new things. Correct answer is so that we do not waste things. Got it, children? We should reuse and recycle so that we do not waste things. So let's tick the correct answer A. So that we do not waste things. Okay. The question number 7. Who said to whom? Where is your old shawl? Let's read the options. A. Buddha asked his brother. Now you have to decide who asked this question. Where is your old shawl? Okay, for that given options are A. Buddha asked his brother. B. Buddha asked the monk. And C. Buddha asked his father. Now children, this question is asked by Buddha to the monk. So correct answer is Buddha asked the monk. Buddha asked the monk. Okay. Now question number 8. What did our grandparents carry to keep things? What did our grandparents carry to keep things? A. Cloth bags and B. Plastic bags. Correct answer is cloth bags. So tick the correct answer A. Cloth bags. Okay. Now question number 9. Cats can sleep anywhere. Given options are A. True, B. False. It's true. Cats can sleep anywhere. So tick the correct answer A. True. Question number 10. Cats cannot sleep on table. A. True, B. False. It's false because cats can sleep on table. So tick the correct answer B. False. Question number 11. Cats cannot sleep in an empty shoe. Cats cannot sleep in an empty shoe. A. True, B. False. What is the correct answer, children? Cats can sleep in an empty shoe. So the correct answer is false. They can sleep in an empty shoe. Question number 12. Rhyming word for EDGEH is A. LEDG, ledge, or B. TAKE, take. Edge, ledge. Yes, very good. So take the correct answer A. Ledge. LEDGE, ledge. Very good, children. Now question number 13. Now children, this question and the next questions are from the English textbook New Voices, page number 75. Okay. A spider lives in a dash. A. Den, B. web. You have to tell here the home of a spider, and it's a web. Correct answer is web. A spider lives in a WEB, web. Okay, understood? Very good. Question number 14. A bird lives in a dash. A. stable and B. nest. Now children, the home of a horse is called a stable. So correct answer is nest. Bird lives in a nest. So tick the correct answer, B, nest. Okay. Question number 15. A lion lives in a den. Yes, all of you know this answer. But still, let's read the options. A, stable, and B, den. So, tick the correct answer. B, den. Question number 16. A cow lives in a dash. A, COOP, coop, and B, shed. Now children, the house of a hen is called a coop. So the correct answer is B, shed. SHED, shed. So tick the correct answer. Okay children, so like this, with the revision questions, you read and learn this lesson, poem, and solve all the questions and answers of this lesson and poem from the textbook and notebook. Okay children, so keep studying and keep smiling. Bye bye. See you.